Hello everyone, welcome to the final project of our Introduction to React course. Today we're putting all of our learned concepts into practice. We're going to build a dog image gallery using React. This gallery will display images fetched from an external API, the dog API. We will create different pages within our app and set up navigation between them using React Router. You'll also manage the application state with useState and useEffect. Here are a few tips before you get started. 1. Remember to break down your application into components. Think about which components you might need, such as an image gallery component and a dog image component. 2. Use the dog API to fetch images. This involves making an HTTP request in your React app. Think back to lesson 5 and how we fetch data from an external link. Tip number 3 is set up your routes using React Router. Each route will correspond to a different page in your application. Your final application should have at least 2 pages, one for the image gallery and one about page. The image gallery should display a list of dog images fetched from the dog API. Remember to take it step by step and refer back to previous lessons if you need to. And most importantly, have fun building your application. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you create. The complete code for this project is available in the description below. Feel free to check it out if you're stuck or want to compare your solution.